Hey, it's Mike Apgar. What I want to talk to you guys today about is how to buy a house with no money down and what that means. Here's what it means. Basically, a lot of people, when they hear no money down, they think, well, I'm not going to have to spend any money out of pocket to buy a house. That is not what that means. Because even though you're not putting any money down, you still have to pay your closing costs and your appraisal, so on and so forth. What it does mean is this. Let's just use the example of a $300,000 house. So if you want to buy a $300,000 house and you're a first-time buyer, you'll typically get a break on the down payment. So in other words, your down payment will only have to be 3%. So 3% of $300,000 is $9,000. That would be your down payment. Well, there are programs out there where you can get 100% financing and you don't have to pay that $9,000. And all you'll have to do at that point is come up with the closing costs and again the cost for the appraisal. Well, Mike, how much is that? Well, typically that's going to cost anywhere between $8,000 to $12,000 and it could even be more. But here's the thing, you can even get some relief from the closing cost. Here's how. You ask for what's called seller help or seller concessions. All that means is that what you're doing is when you make your offer, you can say to the seller, hey, I'm going to offer you $300,000 for this house, but I'm going to request $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 in seller help. And if the seller agrees to that, then that $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 will be applied to your closing costs, so you'll only have to come out of pocket with a couple $1,000s. Okay, now make sure you ask your loan officer about it. Again, my name is Mike Apgar. Thanks for stopping by.